Another feature that's designed to improve efficiency in the authoring experience is production guides. This feature puts field-level editorial guidance in front of users at the exact moment that they need it. This is a great tool for large newsrooms where editors and writers might be onboarding and offboarding frequently. In Brightspot version 4.7, we have made improvements to ensure that all areas, content types, search, and widgets in Brightspot have a corresponding production guide. Production guides are accessible by clicking the question mark icon in the header from anywhere within Brightspot. Users will either have read-only or edit permissions for production guides. Only users with permissions to edit the production guides will see an edit option on their view of the guides. Production guide information can be seeded from our in-house documentation team and then edited to include specific business rules for each customer within their instance of Brightspot. There are two different types of production guides: content type guides and area guides. Content type guides support types that have content edit forms like articles. These production guides are automatically built based on the content type's data model, so each field or widget has its own separate description for guide text, allowing guide text to be shared. The headline field is part of the data model or content edit form on articles, blog posts, galleries, all the types that you see here. This makes it a shared field. Any changes to the headline field text on articles will also be applied to all additional content types listed here. This is designed to remove duplicate efforts while adding guide text. However, if specific guide text is needed for the headline on articles only, those with production guide edit permissions can easily toggle and make the headline on articles a standalone field instead. Because of the way content types are built, they come with an added benefit of contextual navigation, anchoring the editing page to its corresponding guide side so users can quickly view them in parallel. Area guides are used in places like the left navigation, where there is an additional or interim step presented before opening specific types. One example of this is the redirects and site redirects area. On initial click, a search view of existing site redirects displays, but users may need more information. This area guide step provides the opportunity to display basic high-level information to users. Then, when a result is opened, its content type guide will display with all the referenced field and widget guide text. As of version 4.5.3, production guides are enabled and closed by default. They can be disabled at the user, site, and global levels. Users also have the ability within their profile to toggle production guides to be opened or expanded by default.